Hey, were you getting the pizza, or were you fighting zombies in the yard?
The zombies.
Oh,
Did
right.
you say pizza?
No!
Sorry, man. Big evacuation party, you know. Oh, shit! We gotta get to the evac! Roxy? Roxy, hey! Come on, babe. No time to sleep. We gotta evacuate. Hey, Jesse, pack your shit. We're going.
Hey, the evac was days ago.
Oh, my fucking skull. Boom! Gods and whiskey.
That's whiskey. Slept through another alarm. Hey, at least we got supplies for a few months.
She's wearing
Wow.
her
There's
underwear.
a lot of food.
Food?